Hello, teacher. This is my IT and Andres Julian Roa Martin. Now I'm going to talk about the 5 questions that I chose. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did do you? The most incredible activity I did on my trip was reading and jet ski. I never done it before, and I thought it very fun. Also, reading the banana boat and fly away. What is better visiting popular tourist destination or let's know tourist destination way? I consider that is one Hawks is a vegetarian is this a vegetarian. I really like to visit lakes, recognize it, but very striking destination. Since when go to these places, why less tourists, there is less pollution in there or in the water the same because there aren't so many people around the one queen enjoy everything more. What is the most no food it you have tried on and chew? The most unknown food that I can eating just being on my trip to Spain chooks as oyster, octopus and chicks chooks, hacks, blushing, fish, roux, and many other times because I lived there for a long time. Jax, enjoy ever been a backpacker? What is your opinion about this traveling style? I have never traveled as a backpacker. You ever? I have had hacks free. Has been you fat.x and I find X very practical. But you had a good way of improvising and X also seems very economical and a go style of travel to discover new places in an economical way. Have you very met a new friend on other? How this is happen? I might travels. I had met several people, passenger, friends, but also free, who are still my friends. Students Day taught a course on my trip to Spain. I met my friend Alejandra. She's worldwide cousin backstage. Chills while supporting me during my stay in my social and emotional life when I was in Spain and web sheets goes to Colombia with us when wait 6 each other. Thank you.